This is a factory accessory for a Penguin ATV. This is the Towbar. This was meant to be installed in the back of the Penguin. Take this bolt out, put this in place of the trailer hitch in the upper mount. Attach these rods with pins in the clevises here to the lower hitch mounts. And this would allow you to tow the Penguin backwards behind your car. Now, the Beaver, with its front wheels close together, wouldn't be suitable for towing backwards behind your car. So what they did was they produced a transport trailer. The transport trailer is seen here in the brochure with the Beaver loaded on it. And we'll take a look at a trailer right here. Now I have it on its side to show its construction. It's pretty simple. It's an angle iron frame, square tube cross member, same size square tube tongue with a coupler on it. Bit of wiring here. Wiring. Fancy stuff for a bicycle cable, I think. And some taillights, which I'll show a little better. And some wheels, which look very much like the front wheels on the Penguin or Beaver. And what we have here appears to be part of the steering support for a Penguin. Looks like they've simply cut it about here, where the tire would just barely clear it, and welded that on to the frame here. So yeah, see that looks like that's what that is. See the weld for the axle there. So that is the underside of this trailer. There's the leftover Penguin part aside. Put this on its wheels. So there's the trailer, the transport trailer on its wheels. It simply has a plywood deck cut out in 3 spaces for the wheels to sit in, and then you tie the Beaver down and transport it to wherever you want it to go. Now, as interesting as this trailer is, if I support the front of it here, just make a few notes on my thoughts of this trailer. I have had the Beaver on this trailer. Note that the wheels are towards the back of the trailer, which makes for a little bit of tongue weight when the trailer's empty. But when the Beaver is on here, all of the weight of the Beaver is in the rear axle and engine, so there's a lot of tongue weight on this trailer. And also you end up with the Beaver backwards, which means the windshield makes a great air scoop and could possibly get torn off as you tow it. The engine compartment lid as well. But anyway, this is the Beaver Transport trailer. Not sure how many were made, but here's one of them. So now we see the Beaver sitting on its transport trailer. See the cutout here where the front wheels sit. Cutouts for each of the rear wheels. And there it is, just needing to be tied down. Have the windshield and the engine cover removed. Maybe remove the seat cushions, and maybe hope that these 2-ply tires are still in good enough shape to go down the road at 50 miles an hour, which I don't think they ever were. But anyway, that's a look at the Beaver Amphibious ATV, now sitting on the transport trailer, a factory accessory.